Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can merge two companies together at HubSpot. We are doing it as 2022, so it's pretty up to date. So what we want to do, we have three companies here. So we are at HubSpot.com, logged in our account, and we are at companies. Right now, let's go with the first one, called Tanks Manufacturer. As you can see, it's pretty basic company. I haven't go into much trouble of basically pimping it out. But we want to merge it with the other one, with what.com or wot.com. Straight away, right above the name of the company, on the right side is Actions. At Actions, we want to go and click on Merge. In this blank space, will be merged into TMF. So we have to pick from two existing companies that we have left on this account, and I said I want to merge it with WOT. So WOT.com will be merged into TMF. The resulting company record will use the primary domain manufacturer.com. Timeline activity for both company records will be preserved in the new record. The most recent value for each property, etc. name will be used for the new record. Contact and deals associated with the merged company will be transferred to the new record. What happens, yada yada yada. You can also open it out and check what HubSpot has to say about them. So we are going to merge it right now, but this action can't be undone. So we merged it, and at the straight away we have the TMF company, and in activities it's TMF was merged with WOT.com, and you can see it straight up into activity. You will share or co-join all the contacts aligned with this company. We have meetings, we have tasks, and all the other stuff going on, and that's how you do it. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.